Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make a shape on Google App Designer. If you want to make a shape, then you can go to the element tools. It's the easy, not hard. Then I'll go into the element shape, or you can press D. So I'll make the shape, then you can just draw. If you want to plus proportion, if you want to make according to proportion, then you can press shift, then you can move your cursor according to your need. So I just make a shape. This is the rectangle shape. Now it is the blank, not a color. Now I'll use the background color. This is the green color. Now if you want to use the round shape, then you can use the round shape. But if you want to make a circle shape, then you can just apply the radius. I mean, you can go to the border radius. You can select percentage, then you can use the 50%, then it will be the round shape. It's the easy, I think you can do. But if you face any issues, you can just comment on YouTube. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.